Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel, SalesforceFighters. Today start Salesforce Business Analyst Interview questions for fresher candidate. Start the questions. First questions: what experience do you have with Salesforce? As a Salesforce Business Analyst, I have a extensive experience with the platform, including configuring and customizing Salesforce to meet the specific need to the sales team. I have also the work on the Salesforce integrations project, data migrations, and users training. Next questions. What is your the experience with data analyst? Data analyst is a critical compounds of the Salesforce business analyst role. I have experience analyzing sales data, identifying trend and patterns, and providing the insight to improve sales performance. I am skills in using the tools such as Excel and Tableau to visualize and present data in a, a way that is meaningful and actionable. Next questions. How do you collaborate with the sales team to understand their the needs? Collaborations with sales team is external to the success of the Salesforce business analyst. I establish regular meeting with sales team to understand their the specific needs and requirement. I also the conduct interview focus group and survey to gather feedback and ensure that is their the needs are being the met. Next questions. Can you give an example of a successful Salesforce implementations project you have leads? Yes, in my previous role, I lead a Salesforce implementations project for a sales team. The project involved configuring Salesforce to meet the unique needs of the sales team, including the customizing feeds, reports, and dashboards. The implementations result in a 25% increase in sales productivity and a 50% increase in revenue. Next questions. What experience do you have with Agile project management methodology? As a Salesforce business analyst, I have a experience working in Glide the environment, including the using tools such as a Jira to manage project tasks and sprint. I am familiar with a Glide methodology such as a Scrum and Kanban, and have experience working with the functional teams to the deliver project in iterative and incre incremental manners. Next questions. What are the some of the key challenges you have faced as a Salesforce business analyst? Some of the key challenges I have faced include the managing stakeholder expectations, ensuring data accuracy and integrity, and addressing issue related to the users adoptions. To overcome these challenges, I use a collaborative the approach involving stakeholders in the development process and providing the comprehensive users training and support features in the interactive and incremental manners. Next questions. What is the enterprise analyst? Enterprise analyst is the process of the understanding the business needs, goal, and objectivity of the organization in order to identify potential the solutions that will enable the organizations to achieve it is a strategy goals. This is a involved analyzing the organization structures, process, and system to the identify areas to for improvement and determine in the requirement for new or modifying system. Next questions, what is the strategy analyst? Strategy analyst is the process of the evaluating and organizations is correct current strategy, identifying the gap and opportunity and developing of roadmap to the achieve is its strategic goal. This is involved understanding the organization's is missions, vision, and value, analyzing the external environment and assigning internal capability to develop strategy that is aligned with the organization goals and objectivity. Next questions, what is the stakeholder analysis? Stakeholder analysis is the process of identifying and analyzing the interest, needs, and concern of the stakeholders who will be affected by the project or initiative. This involves identifying the stakeholders, understanding their level of influ- influ- influence influence and interest and developing a strategy to engage and manage the expectations. Next questions, what is the requirement elicitations? Requirement elicitations is a process of the gathering and documenting the requirement for a project or innovative. This involve using the virus technology to the elicit elicit information from the stakeholder about their need to expectations and then documenting those requirements in a way there is clear, concise, choice and complete. Next questions, what are the some of the elicitations technique? Some common elicitations technique include the brainstorming, interview, survey, focus group, and observations and workshop. Each technique has its own strength and weakness, and the choice of the technique will depend on the specific requirement of the project and the stakeholders involved. Next, what is the user story? A user story is a tool used in the glide project management to the captures descriptions of the software features from an end user's perspective. It is a simple on sentence statement that is described what the users want to the achieve and why, and it is a topically written in the specific format in the include the users roles, the actions or the task and the desire the outcome, user's story and used to the captures and prioritize requirement and to guide to the development of the softwares. Thank you so much friends, very important video. Please like, share and comment करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।